Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cyber Dave, and in this video we are going to be talking about the differences between an exploit and a payload as it relates to cybersecurity. This video is very important because these concepts are fundamental in cybersecurity. To become a proficient hacker, you have to have a very good understanding of what these concepts are and also their real-world applications. So sit back, relax, like and share this video so other cybersecurity enthusiasts can learn as well. Alright, so let's start by explaining what an exploit is. An exploit is basically just a computer code that is used to take advantage of a vulnerability in a system or software. So there are three keywords here: vulnerability, system, and software. Let's talk about them. So a vulnerability as it relates to ethical hacking is a flaw or weakness in a system or a software that can allow someone to break in and do things they shouldn't be able to do. It's like an unlocked door or a cracked window in your home. It's just basically something someone can take advantage of and get into your home. Or in relations to ethical hacking, get access to your system or software. Now, a system, on the other hand, is a computer like your mobile phone or PC, while the software is the program that runs on it. An example can be a gaming app or a web browser. An example of an exploit is the Eternal Blue exploit, which is used to exploit Microsoft's SMB protocol. SMB stands for Server Message Block, which is basically a protocol used in file and printer sharing over a network and is embedded in as software into the operating system of the computer, especially Windows computers. We are going to be talking more about this and practically utilizing this exploit to hack into a Windows machine in our next video. So do like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that video. Okay, so we've talked about exploits and vulnerabilities. So what then is a payload? So a payload is a code delivered after the exploit has succeeded in gaining access into the compromised system. So it's just basically the code that carries out the intended function on the compromised system. So examples include a ransomware, a spyware, and a reverse shell, all which are executed after the exploit has gained access into the system. So to reiterate, the exploit exploits or takes advantage of a vulnerability in a compromised system and opens the door for the payload to then perform the required action. Now in the next video, we are going to be practicalizing all we've said here by hacking into a Windows machine via a very well-known vulnerability. It's going to be a very interesting video, so do like, subscribe, and share so other cybersecurity enthusiasts can learn and so that you don't also miss up on the update when I drop the video. Peace.